Hi guys, I'm making tteokbokki today. Tteokbokki is a spicy Korean rice cake that's super popular. You probably have seen it all over the place. I feel like everyone has their own version and this is my version. All right, so I'm heating up some water because I like to have some eggs in my tteokbokki. Boiling these and I do it for 11 minutes. This is the tteok. Tteok is rice cakes, fish cakes that are in slices, and these fish balls too. They're frozen right now, so I'm gonna put them into water so they can defrost a little bit. A nice big wide non-stick skillet. We're gonna take our tteok and we're gonna start boiling that first, and then we're gonna add in the onions and the cabbage and let that all cook together. 멸치 gives it a nice umami flavor. Big slices. This has been going for maybe 15 minutes. Cabbage has gone down, onions have gone down, and the rice cake's pretty soft. It's the fish cakes. So basically the fish cakes they're already cooked, so we're really just heating them up. I have this huge tub of gochujang, 6.6 pounds. For this amount, probably a huge dollop like this. You can do it based on your spice preference. Ooh. This is really just for the color. It doesn't really add too much spice. Alright, we're gonna add our eggs and then our green onion. Look at that. Get you a close up of this. The tteokbokki is done. So I'm gonna take that off the burner and bring that out.